Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli here with Wehrli Custom Fabrication. Today we're going to talk to you about our LML CP3 Conversion Kit. So the CP3 Conversion is a common upgrade on the LML platform due to the problematic and failure-prone CP4 pump that comes factory on the LMLs. Not only are these upgrades done due to the failure rate of the CP4 pump, but also to support higher horsepower levels. The factory CP4 pump only supports about 550 horsepower. When you swap in a CP3 pump, not only are you gaining reliability, but also more horsepower potential. The Sportsman pump, which is used in conjunction with our Street CP3 Conversion Kit that you see here in front of me, is good for about 650 horsepower. If you have any intentions of doing upgraded injectors or planning on pushing your truck past the 650 horsepower range, you would want to opt for our Race Conversion Kit. I'll tell you a little bit more about our Race Kit. So here we are with our Race Conversion Kit shown on our LML display engine here. The main difference between our Street Series kit and our Race Series kit is the high pressure fuel line that is supplied with it. On our Street Series kit, as noted earlier, the high pressure line runs from the pump to the rail in the factory position that the CP4 fed to. With the Race kit, which we recommend using with the stroker pumps, the 10, 12, and 14 millimeter versions, comes with a larger diameter, longer, high pressure line, feeding through a larger diameter fitting in the rail with a larger orifice. All of this equates to more fuel flow and more fuel volume, which is why we recommend using them with the stroker CP3 pumps. So that wraps up the differences between our CP3 conversion kits. Hopefully I answered all your questions, and if you have any more, feel free to give us a call or send an email. Make sure to follow us on social media, and thanks a lot for watching.